Hi everyone, this is Dell Vostro 5401. I purchased this from the Dell's website and it took around 23-24 days to arrive to me, and it costed me around 76,000 for the i7 variant. Yeah, I purchased the i7 variant, and with 8 gigs of RAM, 512 GB SSD, and all the basics we have. So let's not waste time and let's see what we have got with this laptop. First of all, there's a very decent gray color. The Dell says it's a gray color, but it's not actually gray. You can see it. There's a pretty sunlight on it, and the color is pretty decent. And over here we can see the single fan option. No, there's no option. There's only single fan in this laptop to cool it down. And let's first see the ports over here. You have a micro SD port, audio jack, USB, and network adapter port. And let's see on the other side, power, HDMI, USB Type C. So all the basic ports we have over here. This is a 14-inch laptop, and what my first impression on this laptop was that it was a very small laptop. I didn't expect a 14-inch laptop to be so small. Okay, and there is a charger of this. I honestly didn't like the charger. It's not a very bulky charger, but it's the old kind of charger which we have which comes with laptops 10 years ago, also 5 years ago. So we had this kind of chargers. So if in 2020 the charger should be modernized, I would say that. So, and otherwise it's okay. It's a pin charger, and you can also charge via Type C, but you have to buy a charger through Dell's website. I think Dell should have provided the charger with it, but no way. So let's begin. And okay, fine. Let's open this laptop. Open this up. We cannot open it through one hand. That's not a problem, but okay. I already had opened it and it was in the sleep mode. And here's a fingerprint sensor also. So if you press over here, yeah, the fingerprints works fine, just fine. In the beginning, the fingerprint didn't used to recognize in the first return, but otherwise it's okay. It's not very great. It's okay. And here's the laptop. You can see the keyboard. The keyboard layout is very good, and the good part of it is the trackpad is really very good. You can see the Intel i7 logo. Oh wait. This is the Intel i7. Here is the laptop, and I would like to say a few things. I bought the 300 nits model, and it's really great 300 nits model. Let's check the sound.
Probability of getting a head or getting a tail. So just by increasing number of times you're tossing a coin, you can get more number of heads, but that is not something which you have prepared or you can contribute or you can control. The third kind of luck is going to be your planned luck.
This sound is really good enough for watching movies and doing normal stuff. And yeah, what I noticed is the battery drains quite quickly. Not a very good battery life laptop. Okay, so if you're looking for a very good battery, then this is not for you. So this is my very first impressions, and what I feel in the first impressions is I didn't like the charger adapter. The charger adapter had to be more modern kind of stuff, and we have the Nvidia GPU with it. We have the 8 gigs RAM, 512 SSD. And yeah, if you have any questions, please put in the comment. And this is my first review of this laptop, and when I use more, I'll put a performance review also. And one more suggestion I have, that it's good to buy Intel i7 than i5. Why? There'll be link below.